here. There's the tornado, a lot more compact. Corn stalks on the lap and actually had the windows down during that intercept. But normally what we try to do is get in the path of the tornado and then we press a button and drop the outer shell flush to the ground, and then a spike system goes in and that keeps us anchored to the ground. But that one just peeled off that suction vortex and we measured 135-mile-per-hour northerly wind on the backside of the Dominator, and we used drone and timing to know that the vortex is moving at 60 and it spins counterclockwise, so you have to add that forward speed to the rotational wind. So it likely had a wind well in excess of 200 miles per hour on the east side of the vortex, 135 mile per hour northerly, and that was enough to spin us in a circle like that. And we actually launched a miniaturized sensor into that tornado. We saw it shoot straight up through the tornado. The parachute popped, and we have live streaming data from that at a rate of 1 time a second up to a certain range. And then we haven't found that sensor just yet, but there's probably the most valuable data set on that sensor that we've ever had. And it actually looked, after we shot the air cannon, that little poof of air almost excited that vortex. So basically you have a reservoir of low pressure that's spinning cyclonically. That's the broad tornado. And as it interacts with the friction of the earth, it'll spin up those vortices, sometimes 3 or 4 of them inside the tornado at the same time. And computer models show